I have discovered ways that AI can help us. You know how you think that, okay, I've already known how to use AI, until you bump into something that is very, very uncommon and you talk to yourself like, this right here is a jackpot, right? I want to share with you 6 helps that AI can help you do as a freelancer in your niche. And if you're a freelance writer, this is a top of the game for you. If this is your vibe, you want to click the subscribe button so that you can get notified on my future videos, and you want to give this video a thumbs up so that this video can be pushed to so many persons that need it, right? So let's get into the video right away. So guys, with AI you can make your work as a freelancer very easy. You will not have to model up tags, you will not have to model up how to structure your idea. We can have something that we want to do, but it kind of gets overwhelmed that we don't know how to, okay, where do we start from, where do I now start from? But with the help of AI, it's going to make your work so easy. So let's get into the first help that AI can help you do as a freelance writer. AI can help you brainstorm on ideas, elaborate it, expand it, right? Get into deep down, get rooted, streamline it in a way that you make sense. Even as a writer, AI can help you brainstorm on articles, right? So you have this random article topic that you want to talk about. You can just type it on any AI tool, right? It can give you headlines, it can give you outlines, it can give you story angle. Like, it can just give you every details of what you want for that article. The second help AI can help you do as a freelance writer is speed up research. You know, before the introduction of AI, we have Google, right? And if we want to do a research, we will type into the search bar what we want to research. Sometimes what Google recommends you might not really be what you are looking for. You have to double down on your research. But with the introduction of AI, with a simple prompt, AI can go and search up where that information is and give it to you. It will give you what the summary of the information, and also give you the link to go read it up yourself. So you see, AI is actually here to make your own work easy. The third help that AI can help you do is to improve in your writing qualities, right? So of course you know how to write, but now you want to move into the career part of your writing. AI can help you write better. While you position yourself, while you are the woman behind the article, where you're going to put your own human instinct, but AI can help you to learn how to write an article so well. It will help you to structure your article, pick up headlines, pick up topics, pick up, okay, which one should I do HQ? Do you get? You can tell AI, okay, I want to write on this topic, can you just give me an outline of it? It will give you outline. Okay, make this particular topic the H1, make this the H3, things like that. AI can help you with article that is grammatically right, that is readable, that has a professional tone, that is polished, and so many things that you need to do in writing. AI can help you do that. The fourth thing that AI can help you do is to repurpose your content. So let's say you've written that blog article, you made your research, your findings, your brainstorming with AI, and you finally written this article. You can snap the article and give it back to ChatGPT, right? Okay, I want you to turn this blog post into a long form video, into 2 reels, and AI will help you divide the video into segments. For short video, it can summarize the whole article into a 3-step formula and give you, right? It can turn it into a LinkedIn post, it can turn it into an export. So you can use AI to repurpose your content, thereby improving your consistency, giving you a lot of things to post on your socials. So you see, with AI you can get a piece of content and you divide it into sub piece for different platforms. Finally, the fifth help that AI can give you is to help you to build your personal brand. Some of us don't know this, and that is why a lot of time we tend to struggle. If you really want to show up online, you really want to build your personal brand, but you think that you actually need to kind of have a knowledge or a residual knowledge of it, right? You might not really have the residual knowledge, but you have the creativity, you have the uniqueness. But with AI, you can set the pace, put the structure of your personal brand. So what do? You go to AI, say, as a creative I want to build a personal brand. Give me a rundown of how I can do this from scratch. Give me a rundown on how I can get my content pillars. This is my messaging. What can I talk? Do you understand? I will give you step by step on how you can build your personal brand. It will suggest content ideas to you. It will suggest your positioning. It will suggest your messaging. It can even give you your competitors to study. Right? So building a personal brand right now should not be a problem, because you have one great tool that can help you do that as fast as you are willing to go. Lot of things that AI can help you do, but these are the ones I've streamlined particularly for this video, and I hope that you jump on these helps. Allow yourself to be helped. Let me know in the comment section which of these I've listed have you experienced with AI, and which of them are you going to explore with AI. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've watched this video to this point, it means that you got value. Kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my future video. Bye for now.